My go-to hairstyle when I was a student was
Definitely a mohawk. So I would put in these long extensions and it was just sky high to the moon.
beach waves.
Braids. It got it out of my face every day and was just quick and simple.
It makes it extremely effortless. It's something you can do in a couple of minutes and not have to strain your time.
Embracing your natural texture is the best way to go all week for class.
My hair, first of all, always been natural, lots of texture, but super coily. I basically just kept the half up, half down, texture out, as we used to call it back then, Afro curls.
One tip I have for students this fall is to
Work hard because it definitely pays off in the end.
Show up and be the best student in the classroom.
get involved in any sort of extracurricular activities. It's gonna help you to make friends, meet new people, and get involved in your communities.
Self-care is so important. Recharge your batteries so that you can give 100% at your schoolwork.
Be yourself. No matter what anyone says, wear your hair the way you want to wear it. Embrace your curls. Embrace it all.